What's up, my friends? Carl McClarty of McClarty Films. I just want to let you know that I started a new YouTube channel specifically dedicated to sharing information about learning Chinese and some learning English. So many years ago, I shot a music video in Beijing with a rapper named Shuangzi, and I'm using the lyrics from that music to create flashcards for learning vocabulary. And stuff like that I'm going to be putting on the channel. So I wish when I was learning Chinese there was stuff like this available, and I'm putting it out there. So please check it out. It's called Streetwise Chinese, and that is the YouTube channel, and there's a website. And I'm going to have a link to the channel down below because at this point it's hard to search on YouTube. It's called Streetwise Chinese. I've got 1 subscriber, so I'm waiting on people to find it. And I've also been doing some classes in VR. So I've got a virtual environment, and you can go through the environment and use the different items as visual cues for learning, which is really cool. And this is my virtual apartment. So if you want to learn Chinese, check out the channel and send me a message if you are a Chinese student, because I've been a Chinese student for 20 years. So I'm just sharing some of my I just want to share some of my learning techniques, and if you're learning basic conversation, Chinese or English, I can help you. So check out the channel. It's called Streetwise Chinese, and it even comes with a website, streetwisechinese.com. Okay, so in this video here, I was going over the Chinese zodiac. So there's a cycle of 12 animals, so every 12 years it starts over. And this year, by the way, is year of the ox or year of the bull. So a little cultural tidbit is that if it's your birth year, your natal year, you need to wear red underwear for good luck, to prevent bad luck during your year. So if you are year of the ox, get some red undies, panties.